I'm going to make some pulled pork for the freezer. So this is a 1.5 kilo pork shoulder joint, and I'm going to put it in my pressure cooker. So I've got an instant pot, and it's going to go in here on high for about 45 minutes, rather than like 4 hours or 5 hours in the oven. I put a bit of water in there, just to stop it from burning when it's heating up. I'm not going to salt it, I'm not going to put any spices in. I just want the plain meat. Then I can decide what I want to do with it later. If I make this a barbecue pulled pork, then I don't have the option of using it for other things. So to go with my pulled pork, I'm going to make some homemade corn tortillas. So I've got this is masa harina flour, just ground up corn that's been treated with lime, quick lime. This is the proper stuff. And all we need to do is measure out some of this, bit of water, mix it into a dough, press it on my tortilla press, and then cook it in my cast iron pan. So I'm only making a small batch, so I'm going to do 100 grams. Then I'm doing 150 mils of warm water. That goes in. And then we mix. So we want to measure out 30 grams. Just a bit too much. 30 grams. It's about that much. Basically like a golf ball. Put my pan on medium heat. Then this can go here, just behind centre. Press. There is our tortilla. Here's our stack of tortillas. These look really good. This last one especially came out, I think, pretty well. Now we need to make the filling for our tortillas. So we've got the pulled pork that I made, sour cream, I've got a packet of refried beans, got an avocado, I've got, forgive me, but I've got some just cheddar cheese, that's all I have. I've got some chipotle paste, that's for the pulled pork to flavour it up, and then some Tabasco. Then that's our pork meat. Let's put it in there. A tiny bit of oil. This is avocado. Just want enough to flavour it. Move this to the side. some refried beans in there as well. I just want to reheat this. Then I can use it to coat the tacos, I think. You can tell I am making this up as I go along. I'm sure these aren't remotely authentic. Homemade tacos. Well, as expected, they are delicious. So if you'd like to watch more of these videos, please subscribe. I'll keep making more. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.